In this video, we're going to talk through real quick the auto hold button on a Genesis GX70. Essentially what the auto hold does, there is a button for auto hold right here. When you press that, it engages auto hold. Up on the dash now, you'll notice that it says auto hold right there. And essentially what that does is when I put the vehicle into drive, the auto hold engages. You'll notice that it just turned to green up on the dash, and it's not going to automatically creep forward like a normal vehicle would creep forward, and it's going to hold. So if you pull up to a stop sign or a stoplight, the vehicle will just stop right there without you having to keep the brake pressed, and won't go until you press on the gas. To turn the auto hold feature back off, what you're going to do is just tap the auto hold button again, and then you'll notice that the auto hold button on the dash is now disabled. And again, this was a 2023 Genesis GX70. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.